Thanks for checking out this video. I just did the next circuit in book 1 of the Electronics Learning Lab from RadioShack. And this is building a percussion instrument synthesizer. So this uses a 272 chip right here, a 386 chip for the amplification. A lot of these ceramic capacitors, there's two 470 microfarad capacitors, one 33 picofarad, one 0.01 microfarad, and one 0.1 microfarad. This one is a 470 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. We're using, 9-volt power source for a couple things. What else do we got? We have a couple potentiometers connected. This one, I have them set how I want them, but I'll probably maybe tweak them a little bit. This one is just kind of for tuning for when it starts to sound like a, they describe it as a plucked bass string, or a drum sound. So that's what this one's here for. This 100K potentiometer will alter the tone of the sound. And the 10K one here, this one is just for the volume. Okay, so let's see. What do I want to show? Oh, this button, this push button's connected. So this is the one that will hit, that will be basically like, you know, the drum type of sound, or that will cause the sound to come into effect. Things are connected to the speaker over here. And what else is there? The book says that capacitors are a key component in electronic circuits that simulate percussion sounds. And that's because the voltage stored in capacitors can be made to discharge over time, much the same way a percussion sound decays. So you know, you hit the drum, and that sound gradually gets less and less and less over time. The book gives a couple things you can do to experiment with this circuit to alter the kinds of sounds it makes. And you can show that some semiconductor parts like diode junction of the LED, silicon diode, you know, making a capacitor from two wires wrapped together, that all of those have capacitance and can make the drum sound, basically. I won't do that on camera. You know, these are just things you can do to go further. But this is the main circuit. So let me go ahead and turn it on, and you'll probably hear all sorts of sounds from the speaker. Let's see. Okay. So this was the tuning one I was telling you about, this 1 million potentiometer. They say it starts to hum, and then just back it off a little bit from there. Again, this one's for volume. Okay. If I do this one, I believe it increases or decreases that plucking length. Okay, so that's kind of the sensitivity, I guess, or the length. This potentiometer, this 100K, does the tone, I believe. Let's see. Let me turn it. Let's see. Okay, so I think that's probably best right in the middle. Let's just play with this and see. Okay, so that's all I got for this circuit. I think it sounded, yeah, like the plucked bass string doesn't really sound like a drum to me, even on the setting where I think it would, you know, sound more like a drum. Sounds more like a string being plucked to me, anyways. But like they said, you can experiment with this and you know, change out parts and you know, try to change the sound. And I think probably future circuits, they make the synthesizer maybe more sophisticated. Okay, so this was building a percussion instrument synthesizer. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.